It's often the case that product teams invest a lot of time creating exciting new products that meet vital user needs. But then when users download the product and engage with it, very few actually end up converting from interested users to active users. More often than not, this is a result of poor user onboarding. And this is important considering that user onboarding has a significant impact on the overall user experience of your product and is a major factor in your user determining if they want to return to your website or are happy to abandon it. That's why today we're going to talk about 2 behavioral insights for user onboarding that could help you reduce churn and boost retention. Number 1, deferred account creation. Think about the last time you visited a new website or app. Chances are that you would have encountered one of these 2 types of sign-up flows. The first is when you're being asked to sign up to create an account before you can check out the website or app. The second type of flow is when you've started an action, which in the example of an e-commerce site would be that you've selected a few items that you'd like to purchase, and then you're asked to sign up before you can complete checkout. Now, with these 2 flows, you run the risk of having new users abandon the process by requiring a lot of information from them upfront before they reach the aha moment. The aha moment is the pivotal moment when a new user first realizes the value of your product and why they need it. Instead, if you could get your users to access your product and gradually engage with it, you have the opportunity to help them experience the value firsthand before requiring that they sign up for an account. Duolingo, the language learning app, uses deferred account creation to great effect, as it allows users to onboard by experiencing a lesson in the language of their choice before asking for signups. Another important behavioral insight associated with this is because of sunk cost effect, users are most likely to invest a bit more effort or resources right after a reward, which in Duolingo's case is a lesson well completed. Number 2, persona-based onboarding. So what do we do when we need to design an onboarding experience for a website or app that is used by different people for slightly different purposes? Like how, for example, a collaboration tool like Trello can be used by both stakeholders and teams. In instances like this, it is important to remember that people have different job roles and designations, and that each person could use the software for different needs and use cases. So with persona-based onboarding, we have an opportunity to create a compelling user experience by personalizing the user onboarding. This is done by prompting users to self-segment by asking them simple questions. Pinterest asks you who you are and what topics you are interested in. Because once you've identified who the user is, creating an engaging onboarding journey becomes much easier. Each step of the persona-based onboarding process, from welcome messages or guides to show users around, is then focused around specific actions that the user takes. Doing this not only makes the onboarding more personalized for the user, but it also increases their chances of reaching their aha moment. Canva's onboarding journey is a great example of this. Canva presents a few options for users to select who they are and why they signed up for the app. So if a user selects that they're using Canva for work, they will get a corresponding tutorial with templates for work-based design projects. So there you have it. If you've identified the goals, context of use, and target audience for your onboarding experience, these are 2 powerful onboarding approaches that can deliver a seamless and personalized experience for your users.